Hello everyone, welcome back to devRasen. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to integrate Summernote, a simple yet powerful editor, with Bootstrap. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create a rich text editor seamlessly integrated into your Bootstrap-based projects. So, let's get started. Very first we have to create a new HTML file and include the necessary Bootstrap and Summernote dependencies. To add the Summernote dependencies, open a browser and search for www.summernote.org. Now click on Get Started, scroll down and you will see Include JS, CSS. Now copy the Include JS, CSS and paste before the head close tag in your HTML file. Then set up a basic HTML structure with a text area where the editor will be initialized. After that, initialize Summernote on the text area by adding an unique ID, Summernote. After the document is ready, go back to Summernote website and copy the portion of script to run Summernote. And finally paste it before the body ending tag in a script tag. Now, open the HTML file in a browser and test the Summernote editor. There you have it, a step-by-step guide on integrating Summernote editor with Bootstrap. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more web development tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.